In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Brevo, and we'll do it in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Brevo's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure you register beforehand. But today, we'll assume you've done that already, so let's keep moving. Once logged in, direct your attention to your Brevo dashboard. You'll find a section labeled Campaigns. This is going to be your main hub for creating your newsletter. Go ahead and click on Create an Email Campaign. This is where all the magic begins. When prompted, select Email as your campaign type. Brevo allows for other types of campaigns, but since we're focusing on newsletters, the email option is what you'll want. Next, it's important to give your campaign a descriptive name. Think of something that makes sense to you and will be a reminder of what this newsletter entails. It could be related to the content, the audience, or any special theme you may have in mind. Now, specify the sender's name and email address. This is what's going to appear in your subscribers' inboxes, so make sure it's recognizable and professional, as it gives a first impression of your newsletter. After setting up the basic details, choose the contact lists or segments you'd like to send your newsletter to. Segmentation is key in email marketing, so take a moment to think about your audience and who would benefit most from this content. Moving on, it's time to craft a subject line. Be clear and engaging here. A catchy, relevant subject line helps improve open rates. If you need a little help brainstorming or fine-tuning, Brevo offers a handy AI assistant that can make suggestions to enhance your subject line. Once you've polished your content, click on the 3 dots located in the top right corner of the editor. Here, you'll want to select Save as a Template. Doing this allows you to easily revisit and reuse this design in the future. Once you've saved it, click on Save to store your newly created template. At this point, you'll need to decide whether to select a pre-designed template from Brevo's gallery or start with a blank slate. Using Brevo's intuitive editor, add and customize content blocks to your heart's content. Whether it's text, images, or buttons, make sure each element complements your message effectively. Finally, you have the choice to send your newsletter immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Scheduling can be particularly handy if you want to send your newsletter at a specific time when your audience is most engaged. And there you have it, a newsletter created in Brevo in no time flat. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and happy emailing.